Hi everyone, I just want to share to you the blooms for today and from buds to blooms of my echinopsis. So as you can see here, look at that, so many beautiful flowers. So at there at the back, I have my Lobibia arachnacantha and the Astrophytum myriostigma. And then here I have pink flowering peanut cactus, and I'll show there on the screen when it was in bloom the other day. So pretty. And then this orange flowering one as well, and photo on the screen when it was in bloom the other day as well. And then here guys, my Lobibia acanthoplegma, my favorite Lobibia on my collection. As you can see guys, it's full of flower buds, so pretty. And the flower guys, it's so pretty. And then I don't have gymnoflowers yet because it's still too early for them to open. So yeah, wait mo. Then here guys, my echinopsis, as you can see, they're gonna explode soon. Gonna explode. Look at that, guys. Wait nga ni. So, yeah, guys. So, I'm gonna show to you guys from buds to blooms of this beautiful echinopsis.
I brought you coffee.
Beautiful echinopsis.
Coffee,
What a
yeah,
bunch.
With a bunch of fruits.
Wait, mahal. Okay. So, as you can see, what is this one? Burnt purple, and I think this is a smaller version of this burnt purple here. Wait mo. You wanna do my video?
No, I'm going.
Balak. And then this one guys, I'm really excited with this one because this is my Utopian Dream. So if you remember my unboxing of this one and the solar flare, they really have a very nice flower. So I'm really excited. First time kind of flower for me. And this one is my pink nymph. It's very pretty and I like the appearance of the cactus. It's dark with black spines, longer spines. And then this one my husband bought for me. This one Valentine's Day, February 2019. I forgot. 20. And yeah, so this is the second year flowering out this one. Yellow flowers, so that's pretty. And then this one, yay, so pretty. And then this Hilda Voice, as you can see guys, there's a small flower bud there. Okay, so here they are now guys, from flower buds ready to explode to bloom. See, look at that guys, so pretty. I'm so happy they're flowering at the same time. So remember there were 7 flower buds, but the pink nymph still closed and the other yellow flower here still closed. And then the Hilda Boys got jealous, so she wants to join the gang as well. That's why it's about to open too. So happy. I hope these 5 flowers here will still be open tomorrow. So we'll have 6 different echinopsis in bloom, because for sure this pink name gonna open tonight and the Hilda Voice as well will open tomorrow. I'm not sure with this one, maybe tomorrow night. So before I go to them closer one by one and before I pollinate this echinopsis, I just want to share an update on the flowers that I showed earlier in this video from last Saturday, because today is Tuesday and then from last Saturday. So here they are now guys. So here on my favorite Lobibia, so the first 2 flowers you've seen earlier in this video, they're dead now, but there's 2 new flowers as you can see, so pretty. And then the Lobibia arachnacantha's gone, so I remove it there because the flower already dead, but the Astro is still in bloom. And then the pink peanut cactus, there's still 1 pink flower there. There's still some flower buds as well. And then here guys, so more flowers on this orange flowering peanut cactus. As you can see guys, it's so pretty. And then new for today, because last Saturday the flower buds on this still closed. So yeah, look at that, the red flowering peanut cactus. It's so pretty. So yeah, we have that super red there, and this one is yellow orange. Yellow orange. This one is red orange. So pretty guys. So there's 3 flowers in there, and there's more flower buds about to open too. So pretty, 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 pretty. Okay. And then another one in bloom today is this one. So this one, I thought this gonna die last year, but still holding on. And yeah, I thought it gonna die, that's why I didn't repot it. But as you can see, it's still fighting, so I gonna repot this very soon. Even if it's still flowering, so it will have time to grow more. And yeah, look at that, it's full of flower buds too, so pretty. Okay, that's a Rebutia. And then another pink flower here. So this looks the same as that pink flowering peanut cactus. So this one is Terry Surprise. And look at that, this one is also a fighter. As you can see, there's loads of damage on the top of each cactus. And yeah, but as you can see guys, there's new growth in there. So at first I was thinking of cutting each top, but since I can see that they're growing new segments there, so I'll just leave them alone, do what they want to do. I just need to repot this so they will grow much better. It's really shouting for repotting, and it really loves me because it's giving me flowers and still fighting. And then this one, Lopopora, yay! So I think this has been flowering for a few days now, but I haven't seen this. Last Saturday still closed the flower buds. I didn't notice there's already flower buds. Only that Saturday night when I noticed that, oh, this already flowering, I haven't seen. And then that Matukana there, that one also a fighter. So if you remember that one guys, when I unboxed that one, it's so huge. Bottom part of this cactus is not looking very good because like there's a cut or whatever. But yeah, it's flowering now and it's still alive because I thought gonna die. Okay, so what else? And then I have here my Micromeris is still trying to open here. Cutie, so pretty, right? Of course, I still got some Mammillarias there, and there as well. And I have loads of, as you can see here, my Haworthias there. But I'll show them to you when they're in bloom. And then my Gymnos guys, because it's only 12, that's why they're still closed. But this one, Bruchii, this one is open. The Bruchii always open early, but the rest they're still closed, so nothing to show with my Gymnos. Okay, now going back to my Echinopsis guys. So here they are. Look at this one guys. I'm really happy with this one because this is the first time flowering for me. I got this last year. This is a Utopian Dream, and as you can see guys, look at the petals. It's so pretty. I think this is my favorite flower on all of my Echinopsis because it's just so pretty. Oh, I love it. There's a baby. We'll reproduce it. And then this one, Born Purple. So this is the biggest Echinopsis flowers that I got in here. It's so pretty. So this is the second day of this. This opened the other night. And yeah, I'm so happy it's still open. Wanna join all of these beauties. So there's 2 flowers on my Utopian Dream. And then this Paramount here. The flower is smaller than last year. And the other flower bud is still closed. And there's loads of flower buds to grow as well. And then this one, but I think this one gonna break. Yeah, this is my Lilac Lines, and it's so pretty as well. Look at that closer, so pretty. All right, and then of course my Pink Nymph and the Hilda Voice that wanna join. So I hope tomorrow they will still all be open. So now guys, I wanna show to you how I gonna pollinate them. So I keep my greenhouse open because it's really sunny and hot in here, and I don't want them to burn. So the bees here are just coming in and out. So maybe they will just pollinate this as well. What I gonna do now guys, I will just mix all of the pollens. I'll put the 3 colors in this one, 3 colors in this one. So yeah, 3 different pollens I'll put on each Echinopsis. Okay, so now let's play a bumblebee. Okay, what I gonna do, guys, I will pollinate this one first. So I'll get pollens from my Utopian Dream. That is very pretty. Look at that. So get some pollens. Can you see that, guys? And then we put this on that stigma. Okay. And we get a bit more. Put it there. We'll get some in here as well. Echinopsis flowers, guys, they only last for a day, but some, like this one and my Hilda voice, lasted for 3 days. This one, second day. So they lasted some of them lasted for 2 to 3 days. But yeah. So most of them only 1 day. So you have to do the pollination on the first day, or else you'll miss it. Okay, so I'm so happy. Right, and then pollens from this. I don't know, there's no pollens on this one. Why is that? It's all folded in. Why is that? I don't think I'm gonna get something from there. I don't think I can pollinate this one as well. But we'll just get anyway. But I don't think this is a good pollen donor. No pollens. Okay, so we put get some more in here. Okay, right. Then now I gonna pollinate this Utopian Dream. I'll get some in here. Then put it there. Some more. And then put it there. So that's how I pollinate them. And also, guys, I made a time-lapse video and I'm gonna insert it here, guys, at the end of this video.